Hello and welcome to Rise of Cultures. Now, the beta announcement have hit us today, and the High Middle Ages are upon us in a short time. But if you want to test it out on the beta server, well, this is the city you get. It's my EU1 account, and it looks like this. Have these resources right now. And well, let's just have a further look, because someone asked how much resource is. There's not a lot of early ages, but we don't really need that. I cut really down on the Roman Empire goods, and well, when you reach the end state, the Kingdom of Sicily has a tremendous amount of goods, so might be some use for a few ages back. And there's a little stuff here from the Arabia Age 2, if need be. The Arabia village, well, let's see, it looks like this when we get in here. And here we are. Well, it looks like this, and well, I haven't done a lot of things here for a long time. The account has been dormant since September, where I, well, sort of didn't want to continue on the account. But well, it's what you got, and well, let's just have a look at the wonders to help that one out. I got all the ancient ones, but I haven't done a lot to get the newer ones, as you can see. But well, it works fine for me, and well, it is pre the last 20 stages of the Alliance treasure hunt and other stuff, so well, it is what it is. And well, I hope you'll join the account when you reach beta. Thank you for watching this video.